Over $7 trillion is traded in the Forex alone every single day. 7 trillion. But only 1% of the population does any sort of trading. And out of that 1%, only 10 to 20% trade Forex specifically. And the thing is, when you go to school, they teach you everything except this. Because the truth is, once you understand this game, this specific game, you stop playing the one they built for you and you start playing the one that you can actually change your life with. But before you leave, I will tell you something that I wish I knew before I really stepped into trading. Something that could have saved me so much money. And it's not about skill, it's about your brain and the psychology of finally stepping out of that middle class that you're currently in and stepping into a mindset that has made broke people multi-millionaires in less than a year. So, by the end of this video, you're gonna understand exactly what Forex is, how it turns the entire global economy, and how regular people, just like you, can change the trajectory of their entire life. Because the truth is, the market has been controlling your life since the day you were born. The question now is, do you want to stay on the sidelines or finally learn the game that everyone richer than you already plays? So, before you know what Forex is and where it's going, you should know how Forex came to be. So let's start from the top. Once countries got rid of the gold standard, money stopped being this physical thing that you could point to. It wasn't backed by gold anymore. It was basically backed by trust. And it started to rise and fall based on confidence, what people thought it was worth. And because everyone's confidence changes at different times, the world needed one big place for countries to trade and adjust their currencies. That's how Forex was born, the bloodstream of the entire global economy. But back then, it wasn't made for regular people. It was built for governments, banks, and billion-dollar institutions. That means for decades, only the richest had access to trade your money. I remember when I first learned about Forex. I was 17 years old and I was sitting at a computer and I took my first trade and I watched it go up and I made 3 pennies. But I actually lost 4 cents because the commission was 7 cents. But my mind was blown that in seconds, I was able to make 3 pennies. It was crazy to me. But here's where everything changed. And I'm sure you can guess how that change started. It was technology. Technology blew the doors off the old system. Today, the market is literally open to anyone with Wi-Fi and the guts to start. You don't need $1 million account. You don't need to be dressed in a suit. You don't need to be a banker on Wall Street. Those days are over. You literally just need internet, connection, and some discipline. But even when people learn about Forex, a lot of them are intimidated. They think the market is the enemy and they're just too afraid to jump in. But what they don't understand is that it's not the market that hurts people when it comes to trading, it's actually themselves. What hurts people in the game is their emotions, their impatience, and the wrong mindset telling them that they need to win fast. That's the reason that most people lose. The ones who win, they outsmart their own emotions. They focus on what they can control, themselves. And it makes all the difference in the world. Most people panic before the market even does. The ones who win, they outsmart themselves before they ever try to outsmart the market. Once you understand that you are the variable, everything changes. The market becomes less of a conundrum and more of a mirror. The market shows you who you really are, strategic and calm, or panicked and impulsive. You see, most people lose not because the market is unfair, it's because they're repeating the same emotional mistakes over and over and over again. And they're doing it in trading and in life. Once you realize this, the market stops seeming like some evil trick that you need to stay away from, and then your confidence can finally grow. Once you trade in your old mindset for this new one, it stops being all about charts and indicators and starts being more about you. I think that was the most surprising but eye-opening thing that I learned. It makes so much sense in hindsight, but nobody tells you that. Think about it. The market rises when people feel confident, and then it falls when people feel insecure. And then the market turns sideways when people don't know what the hell to think. There's so much psychology involved in all of this, which is why it's so important to learn to manage your own psychology if you want to actually succeed in this game. Once you do that, you stop reacting and you start predicting. And when you can predict human emotion, you can actually predict the market. So now you understand how the market was built and you understand how you fit into it. But I'm about to hit you with the most important part. And it's the part that most people don't fully grasp until they're deep into trading. Forex isn't just about reacting to the present. It's really about reacting to the future. Technology has changed everything recently. It's changed the whole world, and it's absolutely changed Forex. There's AI, algorithms, automation, and prop firms. All of it has rewritten the rules. In the past, you needed to have massive bank accounts to even touch this market. Those days are gone. And that's why we're here right now. All you need is a laptop and a plan, and you can literally trade the same market that all the major banks do. But with this access comes a great responsibility. The thing that is going to separate you from everyone else is discipline, the beat of silence. And if you don't have discipline, you might as well never play this game. But if you do have it, you can seriously change your life for the better. The market doesn't care how you feel, but it will always reflect who you are and how you behave. So the question really isn't, is Forex for you? The game has been running your life since the moment you were born. The question is, are you ready to stop watching from the sidelines and actually play? If you're still here, it means you're ready to stop watching and start understanding. So click the next video if you're serious about getting into Forex.